Good morning, students. Good morning. Today we are doing our next experiment number 2, to determine the resistance of and resistivity of a given conducting wire using Wheatstone bridge. Wheatstone bridge also called a meter bridge. As you can see on your video, this is your circuit diagram. You must draw this kind of first circuit diagram for the experiment. Okay, all the apparatus name, also the direction of current, etc. you must be show in your circuit diagram. You are connecting your apparatus like this. Arrange your apparatus. This is your circuit board, Wheatstone bridge circuit board. Unknown resistance, battery, key, rheostat, galvanometer and resistance box. And most important point, this one is known as jockey, pencil key. It's known as pencil key jockey. Okay. Now circuit connection start from terminal A to main battery positive, main battery negative with key to the rheostat and rheostat to the C. Resistance box connect with the terminal C, in between terminal C and terminal B. In between terminal B and C, you connect your resistance box. Your unknown resistance, you should connect between terminal A and terminal B. Here these 2 points known as terminal A, these 3 known as terminal B and these 2 known as terminal C. Is that clear? Now your galvanometer, one of that point of the positive or negative, anyone you can connect with the terminal B and another one you can connect with the jockey. ओके, इस टाइप से आप जॉकी को कनेक्ट कर सकते हो। अगर आपका जॉकी का वायर छोटा है तो आप 2 वायर को कनेक्ट ऐसे लूपिंग करके उसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हो और उसके बाद ये सर्किट आपकी कंप्लीट हो गई। फिर से एक बार आपको बता दूं, A टू बैटरी पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव टू की टू रियोस्टेट एंड रियोस्टेट टू टर्मिनल सी। अननोन रेजिस्टेंस वायर जिसकी लेंथ और डायमीटर आपने ऑलरेडी माइक्रोमीटर स्क्रू गेज से फाइंड किया हुआ है और स्केल से फाइंड किया हुआ है। स्केल और माइक्रोमीटर स्क्रू गेज दोनों से, डायमीटर, रेडियस एंड लेंथ, ठीक है। फिर उसका कनेक्शन बिटवीन टर्मिनल ए एंड बी, रेजिस्टेंस बॉक्स का कनेक्शन बिटवीन बी एंड सी, एक वन अप कनेक्शन ऑफ गैल्वेनोमीटर विथ टर्मिनल बी एंड अनदर कनेक्शन ऑफ गैल्वेनोमीटर विथ जॉकी, पेंसिल की। Now as per the circuit practical method, first on the battery just place your jockey on terminal A. It will be given a left side deflection. Now place on terminal B. Okay, so it will be given right side deflection. So your circuit is complete. It will be given left to right deflection. Now from the resistance box, this resistance box RB, you should take some of the resistance. How much? Ideally between 8 to 20 ohm. Ideally between 8 to 20 ohm. 8 ohms to 20 ohms. How you can decide the 8 ohms? Here if I am taking 5, 2 and 1, so my applied resistance in the circuit is 8 ohm. If I am taking these 2 also, so 5 plus 2 plus 2, that is 9 ohm resistance. If I need 10 ohm, so again I will take, this is 10 ohm, instead of this 10 you can take only one key of 10 number, both are the same. that doesn't matter. This is your 10 ohm. Now 11. So 10 plus 1, 11. 12, 10 plus 2, 12. Like that. You should take from 8 to 20 any 3 observation, 3 resistors that you have depends on your battery voltage, that depends on your resistance and choice of your. Okay, I will start from 10 ohm. Ideally 10 ohm. Make sure all the keys are tight. Now after that, place your jockey here. Jockey place on the Wheatstone bridge wire. Make sure it will not be slant like this, not slant like this, not. It's always be stable, stay and steady. Okay, then after move your jockey slowly on this wire, and also when you are moving your jockey, just check your galvanometer here. See, the galvanometer given a deflection right side, here the left side. When you are going to from left to right, in between, when you get the 0 on your galvanometer, stop moving your jockey. Stop moving your jockey. Here I will get the 0 number. The length of this wire is 51. Okay, so this is your length. L1 is 51. The total length of wire is 100, so it's called meter bridge na? So 100 minus 51, that is 49. That is your L2, or else say DC. Okay, this is your first observation. 10 and 51. 10, 51. Now I will take another second reading for 11 ohm resistance. 11 ohm resistance. Again, place your jockey left side. Check your galvanometer on the left side. Now move your jockey on wire. You will get exactly 0. It's exactly on 48. So this is your second length, 48 for 11. Now third length, third observation, taking 12. You will get 45.5. This is your third observation. First resistance is 10. Second resistance is 11. Third resistance I will take 12. The length is first 51, 48 and 45.5. Same here, 51, 48 and 45.5. After that, subtract from this L1 from 100, so you will get 49, 52 and 54.5. Okay, with the help of calculator, count the S1 by this formula, R into L1 upon 100 minus L1. 51 upon 49 into 10. 51 into 49, 51 upon 49 into 10. Approximately 9 point something. Approximately 9 point something. Not exactly. 10 point. So I will take 10.5. I am doing thorough calculation. मैं यहाँ पे thorough calculation कर रहा हूँ. It's not exactly answer, not properly answer, but I will explain. मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि ऐसे calculation करना है. 51/49 into 10. So आपको 10.5 या नियरेस्ट कुछ मिलेगा. मोर देन जस्ट लाइक 10 बट नॉट मोर देन 11. सो 10.5 मैंने अप्रोक्सीमेटली लिया हुआ है, राउंड अप ऐसे लिया हुआ है. कैलकुलेट करके देखोगे, अगर आपके पास पॉइंट के बाद 29 आता है तो आप 29 ही लिखेंगे. ठीक है. सेम मेथड 48/52 इंटू 11. आपको फिर से एक आंसर मिला 10.49. 45.5/44.5 इंटू 12. ये सब कैलकुलेशंस आप मेरी तरह जैसे थोरली नहीं कर सकते. आपको कैलकुलेटर अलाउड है, आप कैलकुलेटर यूज कर सकते हो. इसका आंसर मैं लिख रहा हूं 10.30. ठीक है. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके. तो इन द सेकंड पार्ट, now you are interchanging your resistance and resistance box from left to right or right to left. So I am changing the position of resistance from left to right. Okay, after interchanging, doing same process, when you are connecting your resistance left side, doing same process, take same resistance from the resistance box and find the same length, same type of length left, taking 10 ohm because my first observation is 10 ohm. Okay, when I am connect your resistance left side. So this is your 10 ohm resistance. After that, move your jockey, get a null point length. So this is your length 51. Okay, this is your length 51. So this way you can take, I am taking just 10, then after again you can take 11 and 12. Okay, and all the reading you should note down in your table. In your table you doesn't need to write down again the value of that resistance. You should write down only the length. Length is 49, 51.8 and 54.6. I will get. So this is your AD dash when resistance at right side. Okay. After connection, after taking the length, this length is known as L2. This length is known as L2. So 49, 51.8 and 54.6. 100 minus L2, that is 51. Here 47.8, sorry 47.2, sorry 48.2 by mistake. 48.2 and 45.4. Okay, again calculate the value of S2 with the help of calculator. But when you are calculating the value of S2, make sure check the formula. Here the formula is R into 100 minus L1 upon L2, not L2 upon 100 minus L1. ज्यादातर बच्चे यहाँ पे मिस्टेक कर देते हैं क्योंकि आगे आपने L1/100 - L1 किया था, ओके, और यहाँ पे आपको 100 - L2/L2 करना है. कीप इन माइंड. सो अगेन 51/49, तो 10.29 समथिंग. Here you will get 10.50 or 10.80 something, sorry, 60. Now after filling this table, take the average value of the first observation, write down here 10.29, 10.49 and 10.50. I will take 10.50, 495, that is 50, and 10.30 and 10.60, so 10.45. Now after getting these three value, again the average S is equal to 10.29 plus 10.50 plus 10.45 divided by 3, you will get the answer 10.39. okay, unit is ohm. This is your resistance value S. This is the resistance value S. I am write down again, repeat कर रहा हूं मैं, एक मिनट. एवरेज S is equal to 10.29 plus 10.50 plus 10.45 divided by 3, 10.30 ohm, sorry 35, 38 लिख लेता हूँ मैं. तो दिस इज द रेजिस्टेंस वैल्यू. देखिए यहाँ पे जो भी फिगर्स मैंने लिखी है, एक बार फिर से बता दूँ कि ये फिगर्स मैंने ऐसे थॉरल कैलकुलेशन से अपने हाथ लिखी है. एग्जैक्टली कैलकुलेशन जैसे रीडिंग वाइज आप करते हो कि ये रीडिंग है, ये रीडिंग है, तो इसका एग्जैक्टली कैलकुलेशंस क्या है वो आपको नोट करना है और उसके बाद इस टाइप से कैलकुलेशन करना है. ये जैसे आपको थॉरल कैलकुलेशंस बता रहा हूँ मैं, मेरे पास कैलकुलेटर नहीं होता है, सो आप अपने कैलकुलेटर में प्रॉपर कैलकुलेशन करके लिखोगे. कीप इन माइंड, इसकी कॉपी नहीं करना, प्रॉपर कैलकुलेशन कंप्लीट करके लिखोगे, ठीक है. आफ्टर गेट कलेक्शन, आफ्टर यू विल गेट द रेजिस्टेंस वैल्यू. नाउ योर नेक्स्ट एम इज टू रेजिस्टिविटी. तो रो इक्वल टू S into A/L. What is the L? Length of the resistance. I will take 105 centimeter. In the previous experiment, we also doing how the length, getting the length, diameter with the help of screw goes 0.029 centimeter, 28 centimeter. So radius is 0.014 centimeter. Okay, so substitute the value S into pi into R square upon L. S is a 10.38, pi value is 3.14, radius is 0.014 centimeter square, length is 105. Okay, whatever the answer you will get in unit ohm into centimeter, ohm into centimeter. This is your resistivity. Okay, any doubt? This is your calculations. You must show these proper calculations. You must show this proper calculation. Clear?